Hi students, how are you? Hope you are all doing well. And first of all, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel, Knox Way to Learn. And in the previous video, we have started one important topic for intermediate second year, grammar, the language of advertisements. So, in our public examination, in question number 8, one advertisement is given and below that advertisement there will be 5 questions. So, you have to answer those 5 questions so that you will get 5 marks. And in the previous video, I have explained you what is the advertisement and what are the different types of advertisements and what is the purpose of advertisement. So I have given you all those details and we have practiced one advertisement in public examination point of view. And in this video today, we are going to see some more advertisements from examination point of view. Okay. Now let's see an advertisement seen in the display. See, study the advertisement and answer the questions that follow. Study the advertisement and answer the questions that follow. And one advertisement is given and below that advertisement there are 5 questions. So first of all, we need to study the advertisement. We have to read each and every detail, just like I told you yesterday. Okay, so what is this advertisement about? Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, and above that line there is one more line in Hindi. Mahatma Gandhi Rashtriya Gramin Guarantee Mahatma Gandhi Rashtriya Gramin Rozgar Guarantee Adhiniyam. So this advertisement is given by Government of India, I think, because this advertisement is talking about National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. So here Mahatma Gandhi picture is there and below it Mahatma Gandhi Nareg. Mahatma Gandhi NREGA. NREGA is nothing but National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. And this advertisement is given by Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. Okay, so yesterday I told you that there are 2 types of advertisements, commercial advertisements and social advertisements. Commercial advertisements are given by some private organizations or some business organizations, but social advertisements are given by government. So here this advertisement is given by the government, so it will go into the category of social advertisement. Okay, so after studying the advertisement like this, we have to go to the questions. Now let's see the first question. Who is the national leader that can be seen in the advertisement? Who is the national leader that can be seen in the advertisement? Obviously this is Mahatma Gandhi. Who is the national leader you can see in the advertisement? Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so the answer for the first question is Mahatma Gandhi. Second question, who has issued the advertisement? So by whom this advertisement was given? You see, at the bottom of the advertisement you can find Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. So this advertisement has been issued by Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. You know what is National Rural Employment Guarantee Act? You know what it is? Generally, most of our Indians depend on agriculture and mostly they live in rural areas. But these people do not get employment throughout 365 days. Sometimes for some days they may not have any work to do. So in that kind of situation, the government provides them work and the government gives them some money. So that is National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Okay, understand? So who has issued this advertisement? The advertisement has been issued by Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. This is the answer for the second question. Now let's see the third question. Write the antonym of rural. Write the antonym of rural. So yesterday I told you that 5 questions are given, but out of 5 questions, 1 question may be about some grammar. Okay, so here this third question is like that. Write the antonym of rural. Antonym means opposite word. So we have to write the opposite of rural. To write it, first of all, we have to understand what the meaning of rural. Rural means village. So what is the opposite of village? Town, okay, or city. Then this town or city can be called as urban. Okay, so the antonym of rural is urban. URBAN, urban. Now you see the next question. Write the verb form of development. So we need to write the verb form of development. So obviously this is develop. So develop, developed, developed. So these are the this is the conjugation of the verb develop. So the verb form of development is develop. Okay. And finally, what is being guaranteed in the advertisement? So what is being guaranteed here? Employment. Okay, it is clearly what is guaranteed? Employment. So the answer, this employment is also in rural area. So the answer should be rural employment. Okay, understand? Rural employment. So like this, so we can answer all these questions. Remember students, scoring 5 out of 5 marks in this question is very easy. You can find maximum 4 questions. The answers for 4 questions in the advertisement itself. One question may be about some grammar. Okay, understand? So now let's see another advertisement given in our textbook. Study the advertisement and answer the questions that follow. Study the advertisement and answer the questions that follow. So, Swachh Bharat Hai Seva Swachhata Pakwada, 15 September to 2nd October 2018. Join hands with railways in cleanliness drive. Join hands with railways in cleanliness drive. So generally this advertisement is given, I think, by railways, by railway department. Community Day on 22nd September 2018 be the change. Timing from 9 am onwards. Indian Railways appeals to all people, NGOs and charitable trusts to participate in this cleanliness drive for your Shramadhan. Please contact station director or station manager of the nearest railway station. Indian Railways. So generally this railway department, they are going to conduct a cleanliness drives like Shramadhan, clean and green, okay, planting trees, like that they are going to conduct some cleanliness drive. So if you want to voluntarily participate in that cleanliness drive, you can contact the nearest station director or station manager of the nearest railway station. Okay, so this advertisement is given by the Ministry of Railways. Okay, so what are the questions given here? First question is, what is the advertisement about? What is the advertisement about? So what is this advertisement about? This is about cleanliness drive. So you can find that answer in the advertisement. You see, join hands with railways in cleanliness drive. You can find that sentence, join hands with railways in cleanliness drive. So this is the answer for the first question, joining hands with railways in cleanliness drive. Okay, now let's see the second question. Who has issued this advertisement? Who has issued this advertisement? So obviously this advertisement has been given by Indian Railways. Okay, so the answer is Indian Railways. So when was the cleanliness drive conducted? When was the cleanliness drive conducted? So if you see it, okay, you see the part in the shaded portion. Community Day 22nd September 2018 is there. Be the change. That means the date may be changed later, but presently the date is 22nd September 2018. So when was the cleanliness drive conducted? That means the answer should be 22nd September 2018. And fourth question, who are to be contracted for our Shramadhan? So if you want to participate in the Sramadan, so whom do you have to contact? So here you see in the below you can see station director or station manager of the nearest railway station. Station director or station manager of the nearest railway station. Okay, and finally the last question. Write the noun form of charitable. Write the noun form of charitable. Obviously, the noun form of charitable is charity. CHARITY, charity. So, in this way, we can easily answer all the questions and you can find the answers in the advertisement itself. So, first of all, whenever you want to answer this question, first you have to read all the details from starting to ending. Then you will be able to answer all the questions. So, this is the way of answering this Roman number 8 and you will get 5 marks in your public examination. Okay, so this is all about this class. In the next class, let's see another topic. So until then, bye, take care, and if you feel this video is useful to you, please like and share with your friends so that they can also learn, and subscribe to our channel Knox Way to Learn. Thank you.